Hello friends, let us now learn some important points in oncology. So first, one-liners. The most common type of this is about in that soft tissue sarcoma. So we will see the one-liners about soft tissue sarcoma. The most common type of soft tissue sarcoma is liposarcoma followed by leiomyosarcoma. Most common site of soft tissue sarcoma is lower extremity followed by upper extremity followed by trunk followed by retroperitoneum followed by head and neck. Then most common type of pediatric soft tissue sarcoma is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common type of pediatric soft tissue sarcoma is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common retroperitoneal tumor is liposarcoma. Most common route of spread is hematogenous spread. Then most common site of metastasis of soft tissues is lungs. Most common site of metastasis of retroperitoneal sarcoma is liver followed by lungs. Then in the soft tissue sarcoma, lymph node metastasis is rare. Lymph node dissection is seen in soft tissue sarcoma, especially we do it for sarcomas with lymph node metastasis. So the question is, what is the sarcomas with lymph node metastasis? Sarcomas with lymph node metastasis include, we have angiosarcoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, clear cell sarcoma, epithelial sarcoma, synovial sarcoma are the sarcomas which are associated with lymph node metastasis. Then if you see, the investigation of choice for the diagnosis of soft tissue sarcoma is true cut biopsy or core cut biopsy is the investigation of choice for soft tissue sarcomas. So investigation of choice for soft tissue sarcoma is true cut biopsy. Then investigation of choice to extent of soft tissue sarcoma is MRI, and investigation of choice to know the extent of retroperitoneal sarcoma is CECT. Okay, then if you see, then most important prognostic factor in soft tissue sarcoma is grade. Then most important prognostic factor for metastasis of soft tissue sarcoma is also grade. Most common cause of death in soft tissue sarcomas is metastasis. The most common cause of death in soft tissue sarcoma is metastasis. Then most important prognostic factor in most of the malignancies is tumor node metastasis, but most important prognosis for soft tissue sarcoma is grade, and for Wilms tumor it is histology followed by stage. So these are the important one-liners which you have to see in soft tissue sarcoma. So first we will see about soft tissue sarcoma. Soft tissue sarcoma, the most common type of soft tissue sarcoma is liposarcoma is the most common type of soft tissue sarcoma, followed by leiomyosarcoma. Then if you see, the histopathological type is mainly site dependent. In the viscera we have GIST type is present, gastrointestinal stromal tumor is present. In retroperitoneal you will see presence of liposarcoma. Then if we see the pathological aspect, soft tissue sarcoma tends to grow across the facial planes. So the sarcoma will grow along the facial planes and it will cause the compression of soft tissue, leading to the formation of pseudocapsule. So there is pseudocapsule formation. Then the clinical behavior of soft tissue sarcoma is mainly determined by the anatomical location and depth or anatomical location or depth, it is dependent on grade and size of soft tissue sarcoma. So if we see the clinical features, the most common presentation of soft tissue sarcoma is painless, and the most size at the presentation depends on the location. If the size is smaller, then if the soft tissue sarcoma is located in distal extremities, then the soft tissue sarcoma will be smaller in size. If it is located in the proximal extremities, then the size will be larger in size, right? Next, in then in large, you will also see the soft tissue sarcoma to be larger in size if it is in retroperitoneal sarcomas. Okay, then if we see the diagnosis, investigation of choice of a diagnosis of soft tissue sarcoma is true cut biopsy or core cut biopsy. Then investigation of choice for the extent of sites, investigation of choice for extent will be MRI, whereas investigation of choice for extent of retroperitoneal sarcoma will be CECT. So the main investigation of choice is true cut biopsy or core cut biopsy. This investigation of choice to assess the extent of sites is MRI. Investigation of choice to assess the extent of retroperitoneal sarcoma is CECT. Now regarding treatment, surgery is the best treatment, where you can do wide local excision is done with 2 centimeters of margin, and then the most important, that is surgery is done, and you will have to active clear margins should be kept. Then the most important then that is surgery can be done. Then radiotherapy can also be done, which includes external beam radiotherapy can be done, and we can also do chemotherapy including doxorubicin or ifosfamide can be done, can be used for chemotherapy. Then if you see the best prognostic factor, the best prognosis is present in extremity soft tissue sarcoma. Then most important prognostic factor is grade, whereas most common cause of death in soft tissue sarcoma is metastasis. Thank you for watching.